Hey, I'm Garry the Gate Guru. Have you ever struggled with installing a vehicle loop detector? Cutting through concrete, burying wires, making a huge mess. What a headache, right? Well, say goodbye to all that hassle. Let me introduce you to the Optex Virtual Loop Vehicle Detector. With the Optex Virtual Loop, you don't need to cut concrete, bury anything, or use a ton of equipment. Just mount it, set it up, and you're good to go. That means no more long hours of labor, no more expensive tools, and no more mess. Just a quick, easy installation that saves you time and money. The Optex Virtual Loop is the perfect solution for places where traditional loops just don't work, like resin-bound driveways and stone pavements where digging isn't possible, public areas and post-tension concrete where civil work isn't an option, and flood-prone or icy surfaces where traditional loops often fail. In addition, the Optex Virtual Loop Detector offers smartphone application access, allowing you to control it remotely with your mobile phone. It is resistant to ground movement and ignores pedestrian traffic to prevent unnecessary activations. With microwave technology, a built-in heater, it ensures reliable detection in cold, humid, or dusty conditions. The Optex Virtual Loop easily activates automatic swing and sliding gates, barriers, and high-speed bifolding doors. Designed for commercial sites, parking areas, secure car parks, and residential applications, it also features a double output, enabling it to activate a ticketing machine or signaling light simultaneously. So if you want a smarter, cleaner, and faster way to detect vehicles, Optex Virtual Loop Detector is the game changer you need. Upgrade to Optex Smarter Detection. No mess, no stress.